Okay, I've got our story today. Yesterday's story was a make-believe story. Today's story is a true story. It's got real photographs of butterflies. And it's a discovery book. Discovery means we're going to learn some things. So here we go. Butterflies. Now I want you to notice when you're looking at the butterfly pictures that one side is exactly the same as the other side on the butterfly. They're like it's called a mirror image. The butterfly is an insect. There are 500,000 different kinds of butterflies. That's a lot of butterflies. Isn't that cool? So head and thorax, abdomen, abdomen, head and thorax, abdomen, abdomen, antennas, wings, and 6 legs too. The butterfly has 6 legs, wings, 4 wings, 2 antennae, and almost always a tongue. The tongue is like a straw. It sucks up the nectar. The eyes have many sides that can see movement and color. The butterfly uses the 2 antennae to smell. So that's what that smells like that. The butterfly's legs are attached at the chest. The butterfly uses its front legs to taste the sugar. The butterfly's wings has colorful scales. Look up close with a magnifying glass and you can see the scales. Can you think of another animal with scales? Did you say fish? A fish has scales, but a fish lives in water. That's amazing. Some butterflies are awake during the day. There they are. They go like this. Other butterflies are awake at night. Those are usually moths. Butterflies eat nectar, will sip the nectar from the flowers. They fly from flower to flower, sipping the nectar. So can you see how long the tongue is? Look at how long that is. It's longer than his legs. Oh, now she's sipping this side. She went first to this and now to there. They fly from flower to flower. Pollen from a flower sticks to the butterfly's body, and then the pollen from one flower falls into the pollen of another, or falls into another flower. So that's cool. They help flowers grow. When a male and a female are ready to mate, they perch on a stem. Butterflies only mate with other butterflies of the same species, so they're going to try and make some eggs together. Where do they go? After carefully choosing a leaf, the female butterfly lays her eggs. When it's time to hatch, the caterpillar larva breaks the eggs with its jaws, quickly eats the leaf around it, and then grows until it becomes an adult caterpillar. Then the caterpillar stops eating and becomes still. Metamorphosis is about to begin. Metamorphosis is a name for when you turn into a cocoon. Then the caterpillar stops eating. The caterpillar hardens into a chrysalis. Inside the caterpillar is changing into a butterfly. The butterfly splits open the chrysalis and climbs out. Can you find the butterfly that's hiding? Can you see it? Let's turn the page and see. It was this, wasn't it? The camouflage butterfly flies away, so lots of them have their own camouflage. So one side is brown, just like the leaves. To hide themselves from enemies, some butterflies camouflage themselves or change their colors to match a leaf or the bark. That's pretty clever. Here are some butterflies. Which one do you like best? You know, when I was making my butterflies, when I was drawing my butterflies for my book, Caterpillar Surprise, I looked at this book for ideas. So I did make one this color. I made one like this and one like this. But you can see that it's exactly the same on one side as the other. One side is the other. One side is the other. So this one's called No Brand Grass Yellow. This one's called Hewitson's Blue Hair Streak, Tiger of Daumon, zebra swallowtail, oh, Queen Alexandra's birdwing, Indian moon moth, crimson patched longwing. The western pygmy blue is the world's smallest butterfly. And the atlas moth is found in India, Sri Lanka, China, Malaysia, and Indonesia. It is the biggest wingspan of any butterfly. The tongue, look at the tongue of this one. The hawk moth is among the longest. Look how far he can reach to get to the marigold. So other animals also change. The ladybug changes, the cicada changes, cicada, the dragonfly changes. They all change. The end. Let's do my tummy is fat. We'll do it sitting. My tummy is fat. I like it like that. I wiggle around, I jiggle around. My tummy is fat. I'm a striped caterpillar. I'm such a chubby feller. I love to eat and eat. Those leaves are such a treat. My tummy is fat. I like it like that. I wiggle around, I jiggle around. My tummy is fat. Get out your arm. Fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar, up the branch will creep. Soon she'll spin a big cocoon, and then she'll fall asleep. Fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar wakes up by and by to find she has two beautiful wings. She's turned into a butterfly. All right, now I'm going to say goodbye, and when you're ready, you can come and join me for art. See you in a few minutes. Oh, right. Oh, sorry. I was going to do this too. Play our song. Did you like that one? I'm going to turn on our music. Thanks, Mr. Greer, for reminding me. There we go.
Once upon a time there was a caterpillar crawling around in the dirt, who wanted to be like all the other bugs. She said,
wish I could fly like a bird.
a wise old owl said, now listen here, caterpillar, don't you cry. You may be just a little larva now, but you're gonna be a butterfly someday.
First comes the egg, then comes the larva, then comes the change. It's such a marvelous rearrangement. Just you wait, you'll be a butterfly someday.
Once upon a time there was a...
The end. So next week we're going to be talking about changes in other animals. So you have to wait and see which animals we're going to talk about the life cycle of. All right, so I'll see you in a few minutes if you're ready for art.